video, I'm here to recreate this tutorial with you guys. I really hope you guys like it. It's like a spring tutorial basically. We're not in spring, we're in summer, but whatever. I just love this look so much and I really hope you guys enjoy it too. So follow me on social media, you already know the rules. Subscribe my channel and give me a thumbs up, it's really important. I'm counting on you guys. And yeah, that's it, come with me. So let's start. First of all, I'm going to use Jean Charles palette and I'm going to use the brightest pink on the palette. And I'm going to use with this pencil brush. I'm going to just blend all over my crease. Bring this eyeshadow up, it's really important. Like this. And bring down your eyelashes. And bring this eyeshadow up. Do like these movements, like I'm doing. And everything will be it's just like this. And now we're going to just cut these eyeshadows. Just like this. Do like a V here. Just like this. And now I'm going to apply the brightest yellow on the palettes, like with my finger. And I'm going to apply it right here on my inner corner with dabs, okay? Do it with dabs. Just like this. And now for the final touch, I'm going to apply ring lights on the top of this eyeshadow, like this, and right here down below your lashes, like this, and apply here on your brow bone. It's really simple, this makeup, it's really simple. The other side of the eye, it's really simple too. You just play with greens and do the same process. Yellow on the inner corner and ring lights on the places that I applied. Now we're going to use this Lancome mascara, this grandiose Lancome mascara. We're going to apply on the top and on the bottom. Beautiful. Just like this. I love this mascara so much. And for lipstick, I use this too, this Lip Contour and this Liquid Matte by Huda Beauty. I love this so much. I love this so much. This contour and this lipstick, it's really beautiful. I just apply it, so it's a nude basically. And yeah, that's it. I really hope you guys like this makeup, like this tutorial. I love this, guys. I love this so much. And yeah, that's it. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel, follow me on social media, and yeah, I'll see you next video. Mwah. Bye!